Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're making turmeric chicken and rice. Okay, we're gonna start to cook rice. Add 2 cups of jasmine rice. Let me wash the rice before we cook it. After wash it, put into the rice cooker. Then you need 500 ml of coconut milk. There's some of coconut milk in the box. I would like to add a little bit of water in there. Then check it to take all of coconut milk out. So I'm gonna add 1/4 teaspoon of salt to taste. I would like to add some more veggies. I got half cup of fresh peas and half cup of corn. And then add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Then stir to combine well. Make sure there's no turmeric powder lump. Okay. It's good to go now. Turn it on. Next we're going to marinate chicken. I got 1 pound chicken breast cut into bite size. Chicken wing also work well if you like. I would like to add grated garlic, about 3 to 4 cloves. If you like more, you can add more, okay? Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt, half tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon ground black pepper, and half teaspoon ground cilantro seeds, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and add half teaspoon of baking powder. Mix together, then wrap it. Then leave it in leaf phase at least 30 minutes. Okay, let's see the rice after it's cooked. You will see the coconut cream on top of the rice. Don't worry, you just give it a stir, then coat the rice, keep it warm. I'm going to prepare eggs and breadcrumbs. I got 4 eggs. Add some sesame seeds as you need, okay? Add a little fish sauce into the egg, just about half tablespoon. Give it a whisk. I would like to add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, then combine well. Then coat with the egg and breadcrumb. Press breadcrumb to the chicken. Make sure it sticks on the chicken. I'm gonna do this just single bedded is fine. So now we're ready to fry chicken. Okay, I'm gonna use over medium heat to cook chicken until they are beautiful golden brown, and then take them out. Then fry the rest until finished. The rice is ready. Place onto a plate. It's beautiful color. Chicken on. Wow, that chicken look amazing as well. I cooked it for my friend before. They say they like it, so I hope that you like it as well. When you have it, add some sweet chili sauce, but before you add the sauce on, taste the rice and chicken first. You maybe don't want the sauce. Let's sprinkle some sesame seeds. Alright, thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Enjoy! Bye bye!